Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and tonight we're going to be making brownies in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so to start, what we're going to do is turn the Ninja Foodi on. We're going to hit bake. We're going to cook it at 325. We're going to start preheating this while we're mixing up the brownies. Just hit start. Okay, so we have a bowl in front of us. We're going to take the package of fudge brownie mix. Just going to pour it right in there. And to this, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water, half a cup of oil, and 2 eggs. And you're just going to stir this up. Okay, batter is mixed. We're just going to put that off to the side. We have a 8x3 inch pan, which we need to butter and flour. It just dawned on me that some people might not know how to butter and flour a pan. You're going to do the whole bottom with butter and then part way up the sides. You're going to put flour in here and just go like that, and then you're going to go over the trash can or someplace else and get rid of the excess flour. Alright, we're all set with that. What we're going to do is just take the brownie dough, batter, not dough, and just pour it in the pan. Got to make sure all that chocolatey goodness is in there. Almost done. Let me do this the easy way, like this. Alright. So what you want to do is just make sure that it's a even, like, level layer. You don't want it high on any side. Oh, some of the dough didn't get mixed. So what you're going to do, what I always do, tamp it down on the counter. You want to get those air bubbles out of there. So the Ninja Foodi has been preheating probably for 5 or 6 minutes on 325. We're going to go ahead and open the lid. That's hot, so be careful. We're going to take our enclosed trivet, but first we're going to put the brownies onto the trivet, close it, and we're just going to put this in the pot. Just be careful once again, do not burn yourself. Drop the lid, and it automatically starts back up again. Now the Betty Crocker box says that an 8x8 pan will take 50 to 52 minutes to bake. I've been playing with these for like the last week. So what I'm going to do is, the nifty little thing on the Ninja is that you can increase the time right here while it's working. It's a great feature. So I'm going to increase this to 32 minutes. And then we'll check them after that. And once again, it's going to be 32 minutes at 325. See how the Ninja just upped it to 32? I really, really like that feature. Okay, so it's been 32 minutes. We're going to go ahead and open up the Ninja Foodi. And look at that. Beautiful. I do see a little bit more darker brown in the center. I noticed that on the previous ones I was making as well. But we're just going to go ahead and put a skewer in the center. And she may be done. So we're going to take it out of there and put it on a baking rack. Okay, this brownie has cooled probably for 15 minutes. I've already sliced out a triangle of it. We're going to take it out and put it on a plate. Oh yeah, look at that. This cooked perfectly. I'm not sure if you can see that, but look at that. There's no center that isn't cooked, because that's what I was having problems with in the past, trying to get the time right. So I actually got this one down right. It's 32 minutes for the brownie. So let's pick it up and have a taste. Alright, let's give this a taste. Still warm. Very, very good. If you're going to have a brownie, you have to have milk with it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped out with making brownies. I finally have it down to a science. It's 32 minutes. It's the Betty Crocker brand. And it does beautifully. The Ninja Foodi does a really good job with brownies. And please like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos.